So if his community feels that he is fit, but if he's informed to play or whenever he wants to do it, he can do so. But from today, he's head coach first, head coach come player. So I congratulate Darren Sami. Now I call him Darren Salmi. So Darren Sami. And I remain as director of cricket, bowling coach with him. We'll carry on working together. So Sami, congratulations. All the best.
Thank you.
And we're proud to have you, mate.
So, tell me your words about it, and then maybe to quick, 3 or 4 questions.
Look, as a player, it's always difficult sometimes to make the transition. And like Mohamed Akram said, from 2016, exact words were, we're in this for the long run, and we are a family. And I think throughout the years of playing and leading this franchise, we have demonstrated that Peshawar Zalmi is not just about cricket, it's a family. Obviously, from 2017, the second season, they made me the captain of the team, and we've had our successes. As he mentioned, back-to-back finals. We've won in 2017, which we won. In the 5th edition of PSL, the truth is, the last 2 years I've played not fully fit. Also, this year, I must admit, I feel the best. I'm all fit and ready to go. But if it's one thing that has made Peshawar Zalmi what it is today is from 2016, my message as a vice captain then, and also when I became captain, all I ask from my players is to do what's necessary, what's best for the team. And as a leader,